The Mine of the Future project of Yamana Gold's goal is to apply automation technology as a tool for development of practices that increase productivity and efficiency of industrial processes, rationalize the consumption of fuels and electricity, maximize the metal recovery from our processes, control costs, and, most of all, reduce the exposure of our employees to risks. The automation program implemented by Yamana in 2010 is part of a policy for modernization of management structures and production processes in our operations. By reformulating or updating existing projects and operations and implementation of the latest technologies and processes in new business units. More than the installation of machinery, electronics, and software, an important activity of the automation program is the development of strong partnerships with the best technology suppliers in the market. Another part of the effort is to train employees and operation leaders to obtain the maximum return from the systems and equipment deployed. At the Mine of the Future, the processes are automated and interconnected by means of the Central Command Room. It was developed to optimize processes, to maximize metallurgical recovery, and reduce operational losses and costs through an information systems architecture. This architecture integrates instrumentation, automation tools, process management systems, transactional and corporate intelligence systems. In the Central Command Room, the teams in charge of mining, planning and operation, ore processing, quality management, maintenance, and worker safety all work together. All information is managed and shared, from geology to the smelting of the final product. This structure, designed for the integration of processes and sharing of information, helps the teams make decisions more precisely and faster. In the underground and open-pit mining operations, all the activities with mobile equipment are managed by a dispatch system. It permits monitoring all movements and actions, providing real-time information of the availability of the equipment, utilization of capacity, and productivity. The dispatch system is the monitoring and actuation center about the general efficiency of mine equipment, increasing the power of decision-making of technicians and supervisors. At the Mine of the Future, the visualization from the Central Command Room reproduces the reality with graphic resources that minimize the necessity for people to circulate in mining areas, facilitating the management of the processes and reducing the risks of accidents. The topographical mapping using laser scanning allows sending information to the Central Command Room with agility and precision, so that the images of the evolution of the mine better reflect the real daily progress of the mining activities. The direct communication between operational and management areas allows continuous follow-up of the achievement of targets set based on updated information provided to all areas. The sharing of information builds an environment of collaboration in which there are no barriers between mining and processing or between production and maintenance, but rather the comprehension of a sequence of independent activities leading to the final product with productivity, energy efficiency, and safety while lowering costs. At the Mine of the Future, above all, we invest in technologies to improve worker safety. Anti-collision devices for automatic detection of obstacles and recommendation of proper avoidance actions. Equipment with fatigue monitoring systems that monitor the level of fatigue and send actions to prevent accidents. With the aim of rationalizing fuel consumption and consequently reducing emission of gases in the atmosphere, the fueling of all mobile equipment and fuel consumption during operation are managed by automated systems, monitoring overall performance and the achievement of specific targets. Sensors installed in the equipment and mobile fuel posts, called fuel or service trucks, send data to the central command room. All data related to fuel control are managed by tools integrated to the dispatch system. In the underground mining operations, the dispatch system also increases safety with devices that identify the location of all employees. The human tracking assures faster response in emergency situations and also facilitates planning of safety measures for application to underground mining operations. At the mine of the future, remotely controlled and semi-autonomous equipment provide greater comfort, safety, and productivity. From a mobile booth, the operator has access to all the equipment controls, operating it at a distance. Shafts and tunnels are equipped with communication networks that cover all the need for voice and data traffic. Plans for drilling, blasting, loading, and transport are dispatched from the central command room, and the synchronism of the various tasks is monitored and adjusted continuously. Through the dispatch system, besides the logistical management of mobile equipment, the operators in the central command room have access to information through telemetry, allowing them to monitor the vital signs of the equipment's functioning and performance. The telemetry provides a diagnosis of possible failures and malfunctions, enabling maintenance teams to take the proper preventative actions and plan their repair work. The ventilation systems of the underground mine has automated and telemetric operation with remote activation according to the demand profile to meet the right consumption needs. The ventilation telemetry helps to reduce electric consumption, a factor that has a large impact on mine costs, and also reduces the emission of greenhouse gases associated with electricity consumption. Monitored through devices integrated with the dispatch system, the ventilation is activated by sensors that note the presence of people and equipment, as well as the presence of dangerous gases or the occurrence of fires. Any combustible gases present in the mine shafts and tunnels are detected by sensors, and the corresponding information is sent to the central command room, where it is evaluated according to the established parameters. Alarms are then promptly sounded and diagnoses are made for continuing impediment or resumption of activities in the affected area. At the processing plant, the ore processing is done with the assistance of the latest automation technologies and instrumentation, allowing the operators to control and adjust the procedures from the central command room. The plant has automatic and semi-autonomous systems that enable altering the process cycle and the equipment operation according to the variation in the properties of the ore being processed. The critical pieces of equipment in the plant have sensors that analyze the materials that enter and exit of process, sending data to two systems. The Advanced Process Control, or APC, responsible for adjustment of the equipment. The Plant Information Management System, or PIMS, containing a historic database of the plant. The information is also sent to the Manufacturing Execution System, or MES, which gathers data from production planning and targets, laboratory analyses, or processing plant data, mining operations. The MES is a system that integrates all industrial management systems, such as the PIMS of the plant, dispatch system, laboratory system, and the systems to control stock, among others. The availability of all this information makes control of the plant process more dynamic and efficient. The information is analyzed in the MES and sent back to the systems that control the plant, supplying the parameters and adjustments necessary to optimize ore processing. During the milling stage, for example, various parameters can be changed, such as the rotation speed of the drums, the load of balls, and the amount of water added in the process, or even the entry granulometry parameters. Another example of this is the flotation unit, whose efficiency and recovery rate can be improved by advanced process control algorithms, continuously adjusting the physical and chemical parameters related to the kinetics of the particles and the flocculation agent dosage in the tanks. In the central command room, the MES provides all the information necessary for the teams to accompany the processes. For the advantages of the mine of the future to become reality at all Yamana's units, it is necessary to strengthen the culture of continuous learning and commitment to gradually improve the production processes. The supervisor's role is fundamental to assure the proper training and periodic updating of the professional qualifications of the workforce. The use of technologies must be encouraged and periodically assessed to enable the operation of the installations at their maximum capacity and efficiency. With data available in real time and all process indicators known and monitored, managing costs is a job for all employees in their daily tasks. The mine of the future is a concept that never ends. Every day, we look to the future and see opportunities to improve our company. At Yamana Gold, we work to develop new processes, technologies, and tools that will increase the efficiency and safety of our operations in a future that has already started.